If you're even thinking about right sizing, downsizing, simplifying into something easier to manage, this video is for you. Because the biggest mistake I see isn't pricing or timing, it's people making a big move while they feel rushed, overwhelmed, and unsure. So today, I'm going to walk you through a simple, calm, right sizing plan, Phoenix specific, so you can move forward with clarity, not chaos. And also, I'm going to share top mistakes that I see that cause stress. So today, I'm going to walk you through a simple, calm, right sizing plan, Phoenix. Phoenix specific, so you can move forward with clarity, not chaos. And I'm also going to share the top mistakes that cause stress, extra costs, and regret so you can avoid them. Hey there, I'm Suri Atkins, a real estate consultant in Phoenix, Arizona. I specialize in helping people who are right sizing, whether that means less maintenance, a better layout, or a lifestyle change without pressure and confusion. If you like real talk and clear steps, hit subscribe because I post videos every week about Phoenix real estate, moving strategies, and how to make smart decisions with less stress. Let's get something straight. Right sizing is not always smaller. It's about fit, the right layout, the right level of upkeep, the right location for your current life, the right monthly payment and comfort level. And in Phoenix, right sizing can look like single level living, lock and leave townhomes, smaller lots, less landscaping, newer builds with simpler maintenance, communities that match your lifestyle. And here's what I want for you: a move that feels intentional, not forced. Typically, I see three common situations. One, that I'm done with stairs and repairs right sizer. You're you're over the upkeep, you want function, you want easy. Two, the life shift right sizer. Kids out, divorce, loss, job change, retirement, life change. So the home needs to change too. The I want a freedom right sizer. You want to travel, lock and leave, and not feel tired of a property that demands your weekends. Most people don't struggle because they don't know what to do. They struggle because everything happens at once. Sorting, repairs, photos, showing, buying something else, emotional decisions, making deadlines, and it starts to feel like chaos. So, I'm going to give you the simple structure I use with my clients, the calm right sizing plan. Step one, discovery conversation. This is where we figure out your timeline and urgency, what easier really means for you, if you're buying, selling, or both, what you want your next home to look like. This matters because your plan should fit you, not just the market. Step two, market and evaluation strategy. This is where we answer two big questions. What could your home realistically sell for? What's your best strategy to get out without overdoing it? Because not every upgrade is worth it. Some things return money, some things eat it. Step three, preparation plan. This is the part people skip and regret. A right sizer prep plan is about what to fix and what not to fix, what to declutter first, what to pack early, what to store, what to donate, what to leave alone, and do it in stages so you don't end up living in boxes for 2 months. Step four, strategic marketing and target exposure. Well prepared, well positioned home attract serious buyers. This means we don't just list it and hope. We position it based on buyers' behavior in your area, layout and function, what buyers value right now, and what they ignore. Step 5, showings, offers, and negotiation. This is where calm guidance matters most because right sizers don't want drama. They want clarity, confidence, someone who communicates, someone who protects their bottom line. Step 6, closing and ongoing support. Closing day shouldn't look like they survived something. It should look like, okay, that was handled. Now, let's talk about the mistakes and cost people time and money and peace. Mistake number 1, waiting too long to declutter. If you start decluttering after you list, everything feels urgent. Better move starts with daily use items versus storage items. If you haven't used it in a year, it's a decision. Mistake 2, over improving the house. People spend money on upgrades they never get back. Better move, do what helps a buyer say yes. First, clean, functional, bright, and maintain. Mistake number 3, not knowing where you're going next. Some people sell first, then scramble, then panic buy something they don't even like. Better move, have a housing plan, even if it's we're exploring options and map out the order of operations. Mistake number 4, chasing the market instead of positioning. Pricing and positioning matter more than ever. If you overprice, you can lose the strongest buyer window. Better move, use a strategy that matches your neighborhood and current buyer behavior. Mistake number 5, trying to do it all alone because it feels simpler. Right sizing is emotional and logical. Trying to carry it all alone usually what creates stress. Better move, build a small support team, agent, lender if needed, mover, donation pickup, and maybe an organizer. A few quick Phoenix notes that can make right sizing easier. Single level homes and easy maintenance. Layouts tend to stay in demand. Buyers value functional layouts and manageable maintenance right now. Timing matters, but strategy matters more than waiting for the perfect week. If you're considering right sizing in Phoenix, even if it's 6 months out, here's what I can do for you. I can put together a simple, calm plan that answers what your home could sell for and what to do and not to do before listing, how to time it if you're also buying, and what neighborhoods or home styles that might fit into your next chapter. Just reach out. My contact information is in the description and we'll keep it no pressure, very straightforward. And if you want, comment plan and I'll tell you what I need from you to get started. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Subscribe for more Phoenix real estate.